अमोनिया टँकराचो ॲक्सिडंट जाल्या उपरांत मुरगांव पालिकेन अमोनियाची येरादारी शारांतल्यान नाका म्हूण रेझोल्युशन घेतिल्लें.
Council has, according to council, it is said that this VASCO is sitting on a time bomb. They have taken a decision to write letters to the appropriate authorities to see that transportation of ammonia is stopped from within the jurisdiction of this municipality. They want to shift this transportation outside the skirts of where there is no any nuisance to the general public.
लोक म्हणटा पालिकेन थारायला ते सारकें. अमोनिया गळटी जाल्यार कितें करप ताचेर मॉक ड्रिलूय जावंक जाय.
ताका मास जाय उरता आनी आमचें वास्को पॉप्युलेशन इतलें आहा आनी आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन म्हणून तूं कांयच ना सद्याक. देर इज एब्सोल्युटली नथींग विथ द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर द कंटेनमेंट प्लॅन. So it is an excellent job by the municipality of Vasco to stop this phosphoric and ammonia acid like coming into town.
हांव म्युनिसिपालिटीचें डिसिजन वेलकम करता. अशें जावंक जायना की हें बंद करता म्हणून सांगून आनी वाडोवप. हाजेर म्युनिसिपालिटीन सारकें स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपाक जाय आनी लोकांक हाज्या बद्दल ज्ञान दिवपाक जाय की अशें एक्सिडंट जाले जाल्यार फुडें तांच्यांनी कितें एक्शन घेवपाचें, हाजेर मॉक ड्रिल किंवा सेफ्टी मेजर्स कितें करपाचें.
जुवारी एग्रोकेमिकल म्हणटा सद्याक येरादारी शारांतल्यानूच. फ्लायओव्हर जाल्या उपरांत रूट बदलूं येता. अमोनिया येरादारीचे सगळे टँकर सेफ्टीच्यो सगळ्यो गजाली खंय पायटात.
Vasco town is we can avoid only after the flyover is there. Presently it is just not possible. So presently the movement will be through Vasco town, but once the flyover is, then the whole issue of moving through Vasco town will be solved. Tanker असतात पळय अमोनियाचे, they have got fitness certificate from CCOE. CCOE has appointed an agency and every 6 months fitness certificate तांची हे आसता करतात ते. So and that has been approved by CCOE with that agency. And what is the problem here is that all these tankers, 6 tankers, even the ill-fated tanker also had the certificates, and if anybody wants to see the certificates, we are open, we can show them the certificate.
MPT म्हणटा अमोनियाची येरादारी सेफ. गॅस सिलिंडराचो स्फोट जाता म्हूण लोक ताचो वापर थांबयनात. अमोनियाचे तशेंच सगळी खबरदारी, टँकराचे फिटनेस ऑडिट आनी बाकीचे उपायांनी कंपनी आनी MPT खंय सिरियसली लक्ष घालता.
I also conducted the meeting there yesterday. I attended the meeting and I told them such incidents, whenever it happens, immediately next day there should be an emergency meeting so that the mitigation measures to be analyzed first. Any accident, first mitigation measures, whatever the rescue or mitigation measure you have taken. Second is, what is the root cause analysis? What is the reason for the accident? Third is, what is the learning point? So that future this accident doesn't occur. He has told, no, you stop it. Now we have, I told my officers, whatever the action taken, we will explain. And we will explain to the municipality. Stopping is not a solution. Because otherwise the fertilizer plant will stop. Isn't it? So how best we can do it? We have to safely we can do it. That's what we have to say. Just because of a gas cylinder explodes in some house, no, we cannot stop using the gas at all. The thing is, we have to, there should be a zero tolerance. That is what. There should not be any casual approach. That's what I wanted at all levels.
Prudent खातीर विक्रम नायक.